Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to unblock Safari on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you use Safari for browsing and if you see that many websites are blocked on Safari, and if you want to simply unblock all the websites or simply unblock Safari on your iPhone iOS 18. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings. And here what you have to do, you have to simply go to general. And here what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you have to click on transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. And after going back, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings again. And this time you have to simply go to apps. And you have to check for the Safari settings, and you have to make sure that any kind of website has been not blocked on Safari setting. So here you can simply see that all settings are good in Safari. Now what you have to do next is you have to simply click on screen time here. So in screen time, what you have to do, you have to look for content privacy and restrictions. So you have to simply click on that, and you have to make sure that this toggle is turned off. If this toggle is turned off, that means your Safari has unblocked all the websites on your iPhone iOS 18. So, but if this toggle is turned on, then you have to simply turn off this toggle, and after that you will be able to enjoy Safari browser without any problems. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.